Hi friends, my name is Sirisha. I am going to teach about organic chemistry basics. So first, organic chemistry. Okay, let me teach first uh, how to give names for carbons. First one is meth. Second one is eth. Third one is prop. Fourth one is but. Fifth one is pent. Sixth one is hex. Seventh one is hept. Eighth one is oct. Ninth one is non. Tenth one is deck. Okay, now you know about if you have one carbon meth, if you have two carbons prop, if you have three carbons prop, if you have four carbons but, if you have five carbons pent, if you have six carbons hex, if you have seven carbons hept, if you have eight carbons that is octet, if you have nine carbons that is non, last one is if you have 10 carbons that is called deck. Okay, this is for carbons how many you have, for that how to give IUPAC name. Okay, IUPAC name. Next one, if you have single bond or double bond or triple bond, how to give names for carbons. Okay, suppose if you take for example CH3 single bond CH3. Okay, it means we have single bond that is called N. Okay, next second one, if you take CH2 double bond CH2, here if you see double bond is there, so it means, so you'll call in in. Next third one, if you see example CH triple bond CH, we'll call that ine ine. Next, so how to give through single bond double bond triple bond IUPAC name. Okay, suppose if you take example 1 CH3 like above, CH3 it is called, first you have to count how many carbons are there. Okay, 1 and 2, so 2 carbons is there means you have to take eth, so ETH. Next, how many like single bond or double bond is there, you have to count now. So now it is like here all single bonds, all hydrogens have single bond, and in between carbons also we have single bond, so it is called eth. N single bond means it is called N, so ethane. Next second one, if you see same example CH2 like say double bond CH2, if you see H all hydrogens all have single bonds, if you see carbon in between carbons double bond is there, so double bond is there means that is in. And one more thing, how many carbons are there, 1 and 2, so if you see here 2 carbons are there, it means eth, and double bond is there, it is called in, so eth in ethane. Next third example, if you see CH triple bond CH, here also 1 and 2 carbons are there. In between carbons triple bond is there, and hydrogens having single bond as we follow before. Like this, 2 carbons means we know that is eth. Triple bond is there means ine. So it means eth, ine, ethine, ethine or ethylene. You can call ethine. Next, if you see like this, so first one also like ethane. So students, now if you see first one, you are taking how to giving numbers to carbons for if you have one carbon, that one will call meth. Like this 2 means it, like this till 10. We need almost students 10. Next, after giving numbering to carbon, next if you have single bond or double bond or triple bond, how to give IUPAC names means we can call single bond means ane, double bond means ene, triple bond means ine. Okay, if you give for this IUPAC name, so it is called like 2 carbons are there, so 8 single bond is there, so it is called ane, ethane. Next, if you see second example, so like that only for as we follow before, like this 2 carbons, in between carbons 2 double bonds, hydrogens having single bond, we know that. So 2 carbons means eth, we know before, like next double bond is there means ene, so it in ethene. Next, if you see third example, CH2 CH the triple bond CH, if you see this one, as before we follow like that eth, and triple bond is there means ine, ethine. Okay, next if you follow IUPAC names are over.